Commodore James Facts. Commodore James Fact 1. Commodore James used to go by the name Commodore Crush 9000, but before that it was Right Plains on. Commodore James Fact 2. Commodore James has a wide variety of friends, such as the Raffle 98, Pixel Art Build the 583, and more. Commodore James Fact 3. Commodore James is the leader of a well-known country named United Nonstop. Commodore James Fact 4. The worst enemy known to Commodore James was known as Thunderbirds 305. Commodore James Fact 5. Commodore James is named after a certain Commodore console. Take a guess which one. The rest of the information was abducted by Thunderbirds 305. Join us next week as we take a look at all